Yes, my people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience. John know my people. Hitting it with a real good beverage, yo. I'm coming in live from the Wales, yo. You know where Wales down. Look up Wales on the map. Yeah, they are Wales. Just see my birthday flex. So you don't know my people. I tell you, yo. Rhino. Rhino, Black Rhino. A joke, yeah, joke, brother. Yo, I can't believe Rhino, Black Rhino. And them PR people, them really said the man crash. For some hype. A fire burning, you understand? No easy. Oh, no easy, but people. My fanatics, my folks, my audience. What me say? Usually me have music in the background. Me not play no music. Me say Black Rhino style way out of way, my people. Me I try show you. Look on good view. Watch out. Cause life good, you know. See it there? Good view. Big old window there, my people. So you see it where I live. You understand? We just a walk. You understand? So we give thanks for life. You understand? We're glad to Rhino alright still. But Rhino style we out. Rhino, your style we out. Way, baba. Or Rhino style we out. So I do not know. The fanatics, my fans, my audience want to think. Should somebody push it so far for publicity stunt? Is it a publicity stunt or not? Because, hear me now. I put up the report that come from Urban Island News, yeah? And I wasn't shy to put it up, my people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience. I was not shy to put up the thing. Leave on a like, on a share, on the comments, all like that, and tell me if on the thing say, yo, a joking thing the camp I deal with, Black Rhino camp I deal with, and a joking thing them I deal with. Nah, mate, you can't say, yo, you're meeting a serious accident and a joking thing. So, you know, come and see a little video on Rhino, I explain certain things, we really want to know from Rhino camp, where did news really come from? Where did this little thing come from? You understand what I mean? So big up a whole lot of people them out there. You understand, we love dancehall music. You understand, you see how the thing set there. Good view me I showing you, know. See it there? You understand, we only live once, so look there. If you're not bad. Only hope said, a window you could open, but you don't know. You know? So yeah, man, I go and give thanks to my people. You see me give thanks to Black Rhino, alright, still. And yeah, if it's a hype, if it's a hype Rhino looking, could I just send some music to every Jamaican YouTube out there, you know, that I swear would have put up the music for free and just give my hype. Just so. But anyway, my people, I'm glad say it's not like something what we can't laugh about, right? Because right now we know say he not even, as far as how we see it, as long as they not hide the truth of that accident or something. We see a video where the man is saying alright and nothing wrong with the man. You understand what I mean? So what a rascal, my people. What a rascal. What a bumper cleat, my people. Hit under the real hard with a good beverage, you understand me? I tell you. Yo, the man not easy, my people. What the man said, the man style we out. Do you think it's right that people should pretend as celebrities? You understand? As celebrities, dancers, musicians, actors, pretend that boy something is wrong and nothing ain't wrong just for the hype. Tell me what you think, my people. You understand? My fanatics, my folks. Sitting on the real hard, man. You understand? Come in for enjoy themselves over and out, yeah? One love to all of the people all over the world. Blessing, love, everything. Blessed be upon your family. You see me? Hit on the hard with a real good beverage every day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. You know me want to think Black Rhino camp I deal with. A joking thing them I deal with. Accident at Marwa. We don't know what go on, you understand? But we just know say Rhino come like he just come back from the dead. No scratch the dead on Rhino, not a bruise, not a bounce. Man just did the answer, boy, a rumor people spread out, and I just say it. So one thing, it's just rumor where people spread out on the internet. But there's a thing where it come up on loop news and it come up on Urban Island News, and it was all over the news. So how did it get in the news as real news? And it's not true at all. Anyway, blessed by Rhino family and him friend them and everything, you know, be the total bomber clat. Blessed by people over and out, yeah? Me say me even put no music in the background, but what I call man, no easy, yo, the people are not easy. If I lie that tell pan the band, say the man dead off, no easy. You understand? And if it's a hype Rhino